Hello learners, today we are going to learn HTML CSS in one video. Let's start. Hi everyone, welcome to be part of channel. Today we are going to study HTML. This video is for beginners. We will try to complete it in 10 minutes. So let's get started. First we come across to the introduction. HTML is a hypertext markup language. It was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990 at CERN, an international scientific organization based in Geneva. HTML is used in web development, used in all websites across web. It works as a skeleton to the website. Now we come across the structure of HTML like HTML, head and body. Normal syntax of HTML is this. HTML can be used in any text editor or code editor. You don't need a complex software for HTML. Now we will learn about the tags in HTML. HTML tags are used to write the program to make the web page. We have many tags in HTML. So here are some tags of HTML. These are some common tags. First, doctype. HTML declares the document type and version of HTML. Second, the root element of an HTML page. Third, head contains meta information about the document. Fourth, title defines the title of the document. Fifth, body contains the content of the HTML document, such as text, images, and links. Now text font in HTML. Text formatting allows us to make text of web pages more attractive. Some of the text formatting tags are as follow. First, heading tags with H1 being the highest level and H6 the lowest. Second, P defines a paragraph. Third, BR tag, it insert a line break. Fourth, HR, used to inserts a horizontal rule. Fifth, B tag, makes text bold. Sixth is italicizes text, make text italic. Last, font text tag is underlines text for underline. Now the topic HTML links. Links in HTML is used to link internal and external things to web pages. The linking tags are a tag to create a hyperlink. Then img tag to insert image. Next, video tag to insert video, and last, audio tag for insertion of audio. Now the list, table, and forms tag in HTML. HTML list is used to create list in web page, and table tag is used to create tables. On other hand, forms is used to create the forms to fill up. List tags in HTML are as follow. Comma, all to create unordered list. Second, OL for creating ordered list. Third, list item, it is used with ordered and unordered list. Note, ordered lists are written in numerical or alphabetical order, whereas unordered lists are written in bullet point and signs. Now list of table tags. First, table, used to define table. Second, table row, used to define a row in table. Third is table data, used to define a cell in the table. Third is table header, it defines a header of cell. Fourth, caption, to add caption in the table. Now list of form tags are as follow. First, form, defines a form for user input. Second, input, defines an input field. Third, text area, defines area of the text. Fourth, button, used to create a clickable button. Fifth, label, it label an input element. Now we will learn about some more tags in HTML. These are semantic and meta tag used to make a good website. List of semantic tags are: first, header, to make key header of the web page. Second, nav, it is used to create navigation bar. Third, section, it defines a section in a document. Next is article, it defines an independent piece of content. Last, footer, it defines the footer of the element. Now the meta tags. First is meta, it provides metadata about the document. Second, links, it links to external resources like style sheets. Here style sheet means your CSS document. Last, the script tag, it is used usually to embed JavaScript. So, learners, this is end of the HTML video. Hello learners, today we are going to learn CSS, so let's get started. CSS stand for cascading style sheets. It is used to design website and add styles to it and make it look beautiful. Second topic. Types of CSS. First, inline CSS. Second, internal CSS. Third, external CSS. These are ways used to link CSS to HTML. Inline CSS is used within a HTML tag. Internal CSS uses style tag for linking CSS to HTML. Third, external CSS links separate CSS file to HTML. Now selectors in CSS. First is universal selector. It is used to all elements. Second is type selector. It targets specific HTML tags. Third is class selector. It is used to select an element to a given class. Class selector uses .in code. Fourth is ID selector. It is used to select an element with a given ID. Fifth is attribute selector. It targets elements with specific attributes. Now box model in CSS. CSS treats each HTML element as a box. It consists of margin, padding, border, and content. Margin is space outside the border. Padding is space around the content. Content consists the actual content of the box, text, images, etc. Border is border around the padding. Now, flexbox in CSS. Flexbox in CSS is a layout module designed for aligning items along a container's axis. We can use flexbox in CSS using display, flex. Now we learn about grid layout in CSS. Grid layout help the developers for creating complex grid-based designs. As you can see in this image of website. Now colors and typography. In CSS. In colors you can use first color name. Second, you can use color hexadecimal codes which you can get from Google search. Third, you can use RGB formula in CSS. A color can be specified as an RGB value, using this formula. RGB red, green, blue. Each parameter, red, green, and blue, defines the intensity of the color between 0 and 255. Now typography or fonts. First is font family which you can get on Google Fonts for free. Second is font size. Here you have to select the size of your font or text. Next is font weight which will build text bold, italic, underline, etc. Next is text alignment. It left to align text top, center, left, right, bottom, etc. Transitions, animations and background in CSS. First, transition. It is used to do smooth changes between values. Second, animations, for making animation in web page. Now background tags. It include background color, image, position, size. First, background color. It is used to add color to the background. Second, background image. It is to add image and background. Background position. It sets position of the background image or color. Background size. It is used for size in background. This is the end of CSS video in which we have completed the most used CSS tags. If you want a detailed course with labs and question, please complete 50,000 subscribers.